Are you facing issues with Face ID not working on your iPhone, whether it's not recognizing your face or failing to activate? Well, don't worry. This guide will provide you with reliable solutions to troubleshoot and resolve Face ID issues effectively. So let's get started. Solution 1. Enable these very important settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, tap Face ID and Attention. Just enable. Require attention for Face ID, attention-aware features. Also enable haptic unsuccessful authentication. If these options are already enabled, then turn these off and then turn these back again. Solution 2. Reset Face ID. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap Face ID and passcode. Enter passcode, scroll down and tap Reset Face ID. After resetting, tap Set up Face ID and follow the prompts to set it up again. This can help fix any recognition issues that may have developed. Solution 3. Check screen time restrictions. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap Screen Time. If screen time is enabled, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Ensure to turn off the restrictions on iPhone. If you still have issues, enable Turn Tone from Control Center. Tap and hold your brightness light. Enable True Tone. This will definitely help unless you have hardware issues. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix Face ID issues on your iPhone. Let me know if these steps helped, or if you have further questions, let me know in the comments section.